guys, welcome back to today's home tour. Today's we're checking out the Lennar floor plan, and this one is specifically called the Cabot floor plan. So this is a 2,400 square feet. It's a one-story, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and we are here in Richmond, Texas, specifically in the Harvest Green community. Beautiful community with a bunch of builders, as you can see, master plan, a whole lot of builders, amazing community, and I can't wait to show you this amazing floor plan. Again, if you're new to the channel, my name is Solomon. I'm a local real estate agent here. If you're thinking about relocating, buying your first home, don't hesitate to reach out. My team and I will be more than happy to help you and assist you make a smooth move to Houston. My contact information will be in the description below. Please also, if you enjoy videos like this and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. So let's go check out this amazing floor plan by Lennar here in Harvest Green. Enjoy the tour.